Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Yesterday definition list. Yeah, including with definition list. What else we discussed? Ordered list and unordered list. Yes, absolutely. What else we discussed? Main thing. One main thing. What we discussed in the last class. I want exact answer. Main thing. Today we'll discuss about the table, columns, and rows. Fine. What else we discussed in last class? List emojis adding to the list. Right. Main thing you forgot, guys. There is fave icon and the title. Fave icon. So here one icon is displaying. No. Wait, I'll share my screen. Yeah. Hope it's visible to everybody. Right. Whether my screen is visible to everybody. I want your waiting for your confirmation whether my screen is visible to everybody. Guys, I'm asking with you only whether my screen is visible to everyone. Is there any consequences you're facing? Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, Sai Satvika said today we are going to discuss about the tables, rows, columns, and different types of tables, and adding functionalities to the tables, and also we have the rounded tables. Those things and all we'll discuss. And before that, I want to have a quick recap of all the 5 classes. Shall we proceed? Shall we proceed, guys? We'll go with a quick recap of the previous class. Shall I proceed? Please confirm in the comment section. Shall I proceed? Yes, I want response from you. I'll be waiting here for your response. Why you people are not responding? Is there any problem? Is there any problem? Hello guys, are you there? I'm asking with you only. Are you there? Are you there? Purushottam, Afrin, Harun Kumar, Dinesh, and few more. Are you there, people? Yes, right. Then why you people are hesitating to comment? Feel free to comment, guys. Then only I'll come to know whether you are getting my voice or whether my screen is visible to you or not. So that's what I'm trying to communicate with you. So feel free to communicate with me. If you have any doubts, please let me know. So try to clarify your doubts. So if you are having doubt and let's ask in next class like that, you think in a sense it will be waste, right? Fine, guys. We'll have a quick recap of all the previous classes from day 1 onwards. Yeah, fine. So we started our web development masterclass with the HTML. So in the first class itself, we discussed the introduction to the HTML. So HTML is nothing but the hypertext markup language which is used to mark up the content written in the websites, and those HTML documents are going to be enhanced, or so it will be added functionalities by using the CSS, which is nothing but the cascading style sheets. Later we discussed HTML of CSS, who invented this CSS, and when it's come to the market. So those guys are Tim Berners-Lee and the Robert Cahill, and this was started in the year of 1989. Now the latest version of the HTML is HTML5, and we discussed, followed by that we discussed the HTML tags and the attributes. So tags are used to mark up the content in the which we are going to provide in the website, and HTML attributes are used as an additional piece of information. So as we discussed in image, we have different types of attribute, that is src attributes followed by the alt. So if that particular image is not there, then that particular text is going to be displayed. Along with that, we have many properties like height, width. So likewise we have many properties, and then some of the rules that I mentioned there. So whatever tag which you are going to open in the HTML should be closed with the same tag. Okay, some tags like HR tags we discussed, and also break tag we discussed. So these two tags doesn't require any the closing tag. Okay, so this is what the rule to be remembered. Otherwise the HTML document, entire HTML document will be affected. So that will reflect on the HTML page. That's why while you are writing a code, you should be clear of what you people are writing. Okay, then so creating the first HTML. So this is what the so this is nothing but it's a diaphragm. It's like a diaphragm. Okay, so it's like a diaphragm of the HTML web page, and then fine. So it's like a structure of the HTML. So this .HTML specifies that the language which we are using is the HTML5, and HTML tag is used to specify the browser that here we are starting our HTML code, and within the head section we are going to give the metadata, that is who is the author of the HTML document, and who's going to be developed, and also some things like title, favicon, and external adding of external CSS into the HTML document. These and all are going to be done within the header tag, and then body tag. Then the page or the actual content is going to be mentioned in the body tag, and then we have two more tags, that is title tag and the meta tag. So title tag is used to insert the page name, and meta tag is used for adding the keywords and author. So just now I told you, no, so author, character encoding, everything is going to be displayed in this meta tag. Okay, then adding content in the HTML. So we are going to add the content like images, paragraph, and also videos. So videos we'll see in the last class of this HTML class, no worry. So everything like tables, forms, creation of forms, everything guys. So everything is going to be added into our website, and then we discussed, followed by that we discussed the HTML headings, order of the HTML documents, order of HTML headings from H1 to H6. H1, so when we specify the heading with the H1, so it should be of big. Okay, so it's of big, and when we specify the heading with the H6, so it's going to be of small size. Okay, so that's what the HTML headings are, and then we discussed adding text into the HTML document by using the paragraph tag, and then some of the important properties of the HTML elements we discussed, that is bold, which is used to bold the text, and strong. So as we discussed before, so strong and bold are almost similar. Okay, strong and bold are almost similar, and then while coming into the italic, so see here italic and emphasized text are almost similar, which will result in the same output. And mark, so mark tag is used to mark the particular content. Okay, so while we specify the content with the small tags, the text will be of small size. Okay, so strike is used to, so as we discussed before, that is whenever the e-commerce websites like Amazon and also Flipkart, they are going to give the Great Indian Sale, Big Billion Days, like other times they are going to provide the discounts, right? So there you can observe that a particular price tag is cancelled and new price is added. So the previous what price is there, no, so that's going to be striked out by using this strike tag itself. Okay, and then followed by the underline is used to underline the content, and insert is used to insert the text into the document. Guys, that's what I'm telling you. So if you wanted to join in the class from in the beginning itself, please try to join. See, I'm sometimes we might be busy at some other things, so we are unable to explain you. Okay, whether you are joining or not, it's not at all going to be heard by us. Okay, fine guys. Yeah, inserted text and subscript, superscript. So you might be aware of it because we discussed these things in a detail. So for the what powers where we are using in mathematics are going to be specified by using the superscript, and subscript is used to specify the chemistry formulas, those things and all, and then adding the links into the HTML. So this can be done by using the anchor tag followed by the path. href is nothing but the reference or the path which we need to insert into our HTML document. So this is what the anchor tag is. Followed by this, we added some more two properties, that is some more two attributes added to the images. In first class itself we discussed how to insert an image, and then I think in the fourth class also we discussed, and then these are the some of the paragraph are important tags. So p tag defines the paragraph, and HR tag is used to what divide the sections, and break tag is used to escape the code or escape that particular line, and pre tag is used to display the content as it is. So whatever we write in that particular notepad or any platform, so that's going to be displayed as it is. Okay, so that's what the pre tag is. Followed by that, we discussed the styles, how to add the CSS properties to particular tag, and then how to add the background color into the HTML document. So we done this by using the body tag itself. So if you wanted to add any text or any image into the HTML document, you have to specify within the body tag itself. Okay, so you should remember that. So where we are going to add the image or the background color in a sense, you should answer for that question as within the body tag. Okay, then text background, so we can add a text background by using the style, and then so these are some of the properties which we already discussed, and then quotations. Followed by that, the comments and the tags we discussed, and then HTML colors. Okay, how to add the colors into the HTML document, and followed by that we started discussing of these CSS. That is, we have three types of CSS, that is inline CSS, internal CSS, and the external CSS. Followed by that, we discussed in detail of this inline, internal, and the external CSS. So we practically implemented how to import the external CSS document into the current HTML document. So this is how you are going to insert, and then we discussed the CSS border properties, padding properties, margin properties, and then we discussed the HTML links. So the target. So self is nothing but, so defaultly it will open in the same tab or same window. So if you specify the bank, that will be opened in a new tab, and the parent, when we specify the target as a parent, so it's going to be displayed as what? So by taking a parent as a reference, so it's going to be displayed after the parent. Okay, so this is what the thing is, and top is nothing but the website will be opened in the entire screen or entire window. Then the CSS margin properties, these things and all we discussed, and also we discussed these absolute and the relative URLs. So absolute URLs are nothing but the our folders which we are mentioning, no? So folder path is there. So those things are nothing but absolute URLs are nothing but the website URLs, and the relative URLs are nothing but the folder URLs. Okay, and then background images and its properties we discussed, and we discussed this thing, that is how to send a mail by a single click. We discussed this one, and also button. Okay, we'll discuss when form comes. Then HTML picture elements we discussed. Then favicon, how to insert a favicon, that we discussed in the last class. And the HTML list. So HTML provides three different kinds of lists, that is ordered list, unordered list, and the definition list. And then ordered list is nothing but it's going to be specified by using the numbers. Unordered list is nothing but we can specify, like we inserted a emoji into our HTML document, right? So we can insert emojis or whatever you want. So that's going to be implemented over there. And then definition list. So for specifying the definitions, we are going to be used these definition lists. So these and all are practically implemented in the last class, right? Clear, guys? So this is what a brief discussion of all the previous classes. Clear with that? If you are clear, then we will move to create the tables. For that, I am opening the Sublime Text Editor. So here itself I am creating here itself I am going to create one new file. So I am going to save this. Save as, so it is day 6, I think so. Day 6 dot html. Okay, fine. So here we are discussing about the tables, right? So first we'll go with the PPT. Wait a minute. So till now any doubts, guys? Till now any doubts? Till now any doubts? Any doubts? Others? Yeah, no. Yeah, fine. So you people will write the exam till now, okay? So if you don't have any doubts, you can able to clear your exam, that is first exam, which you are going to write on. So I think Monday is a festival. Whether you want class on Monday? Do you want class on Monday? No. What about others? You want class on that day? So we don't have any problem, we can take, but I want your decision. Yeah. What about tomorrow? Sunday, as it is, we are not at all going to take the class. Tomorrow. Okay. Sunday, okay. Yeah, fine, guys. Sunday, okay. I think tomorrow I'll be out of station. We'll see. If possible, definitely we'll have a class. If not, I can't do anything. Uh, we'll continue class on Tuesday. Okay. And also, you people might ask, uh, Sunday, oh sorry, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday also you might ask, right? Wednesday, Nimarjanam, something is there, no? You're getting lots of views. Fine, guys. We'll go with the HTML tables. Okay. So HTML tables. In last class itself, I'm given an introduction to you, and now also I'm going to tell you. So HTML tables allows the web developers to arrange the data into the rows and the columns. As we studied in the linear algebra and calculus, we studied that matrix. No, so matrix are having rows, columns, right? So same thing. So in the table terms also we have rows and the columns, and then a table in a HTML consists of table cells inside the row. So thus that rows and columns divides some boxes. No, that boxes are going to be called as the cells here, and then table rows. So table rows and insertion of table headings. Okay. We'll try to implement it practically. Now, then you will come to know. Okay. Yeah. So now I'm working in the HTML. For that I'm importing the HTML basic structure. I'm going to give it as basics. Okay, basics. And then within the body, first I'll specify the heading. Yeah, fine. We'll save the document and we'll see the output once. Yeah, it's a day 6. I'll try to open with the Chrome. Fine. So this is what the current output is. Now I will be trying to add the content by, see, in yesterday's class itself I told you, so insertion of table into the HTML document can be done by using the table tag. Okay, so table tag. So within the table tag you are going to insert the row, right? So first I am going to insert the top row. Okay, for that so tr tag is used to insert a row. Within that, so in the first I'm going to specify the headings, right? So for that I am using the th tag, which is used to specify the headings. As it is, serial number will be the first thing in any table, and then I'll go with a name, and then I'll go with one more thing, name, age, and then I'll go with designation, yeah, that's it. Till now I insert the row, alright? So from here to here, what I mentioned here is only row insertion. Okay, row insertion. We'll see now. I'll try to save this and refresh it. So it's not at all going to be displayed. What border is not at all going to be displayed, but it came in a order. So what we need to do? Tell me, guess. Is there any guess? Guess what we need to do? Something we done in the last class itself. In last class also we done this. You have to specify the border properties. Okay, so this can be done by using the internal CSS or whatever. Yeah, we need to add border. Yes, yes, Vasant. Great, great. So your views are absolutely perfect, guys. Absolutely perfect. Yeah. Same thing. I'm going to use the same HTML document over there. Sorry, same CSS file. So here I have to specify for the table. For the table, I want the border, right? So border as I'll give a 2 pixels. 2 pixels. I'll go with as it is solid, as it is black. Okay, black. Now I'll try to import this thing. Okay, I'll try to import this particular CSS file. So how we are going to import the CSS file? Comment down guys. How we are going to import this external CSS file into the current HTML document? Sorry. How we are going to insert the external file into the current HTML document? I think it's by using the title tag, right? Followed by the link. Oh, good. Just now what I told? Title tag. You people are not there, not at all there in the class. Fine. Yeah, so these can be imported by using the link tag. Okay, so here you have to specify the path of that. So it is css-intro.css. Okay, now I saved it and try to refresh the document. Boom, see here, it came, right? So border came, external border came, but what else we need to add? Yeah, any guess guys? What else we need to have? Absolutely. Okay, column row. So border for th. Yes. So that's what I want, guys. Dinesh, you are amazing. You are amazing. Yes. So we have to add the border for the table heading as well. Okay. So this can be done by, so you can separate the contents or you can separate the things by comma followed by the th. Okay. Oh, see this. It's interesting, right? Is that clear to everybody? Clear to everybody? Clear, guys? Yeah, fine. Okay. Yeah, till now we added the table heading and then followed by that we have to add the content also, right? So content also. For that I am opening the current HTML document. So that row is completed. Okay. After the row completes, you have to close that row by using the closing tag of row. Again I am opening the new row. And I am adding the data into the table, right? So this can be done by using td. Okay, there I mentioned th. Why? Because it's a heading. Here I am going to insert the data into the document, right? So serial number I'll go with 1 and a name I'll go with something Yeah, Dinesh. Then is his, I think his of the is 18. Then one more a designation. I'll give him as a project lead. Okay. Project lead. Yeah, we'll see the output now. Wow. Again same problem. So here no border at all. What else we need to do? Any guess? Any guess, guys? What else we need to do? Add border for the TD as well. Absolute. Amazing, guys. Amazing, Dinesh. I want same. I'm expecting same thing from each and everybody, guys. So adding the border for the TD as well. So this can be done by. So here within the CSS you can give those property as well. Yeah, I'm saving it. We'll try to refresh the thing. Boom, it came. Right? So as we mentioned these things with the th tag, so though I'm not given any bold tag, so it's going to be displayed in a bolded text, right? So that's what the power of the th tag is. So here I'm adding the content, so without any without the heading. Here I am giving the data. So this is of unbolded text, right? Clear with the insertion of table. In the same way you can insert n number of things. Okay, clear, guys? Clear? So this is how we are going to create the table. Clear? So if you are clear, then we will go to the rounded borders. Okay, rounded borders. Okay, so one more thing. See here in this output, what you are observing? So two borders are coming, right? So two borders are coming. So what I need to mention to get the single border? Any guess? Any guess? So if I want to get a single border, what I need to mention? What I need to mention, guys? So I'll try to collapse the two borders. So if I collapse, so that will be of single line, right? So that will be of single line. Yeah, I'll show you how you are going to collapse those borders. So this can be done by border. I'm collapsing the border. See here, border collapse. So here also you need to give the collapse. Boom. See what would be the output? Yeah. See how interesting the tables are. So those two borders are going to be collapsed. Okay, so this is what the output is. Clear? Clear, guys? How to collapse the borders, right? So till now we collapsed, and one more thing we discussed in the last class, how to add the color to the table cells, right? Any guess, guys? Any guess? So just think of CSS properties. CSS properties. So if I want background color, same tag I want to go. Same tag I'm going to use, that is border color. So for what things we need to add the background color to get the entire cells colored. Sorry. So I'll try to add the duplicate keys. So duplicate is nothing but the same thing is going to be repeated. Yeah, for to look good, I'm giving a more data. Okay. Yeah, shall we start to add the background colors to the cells? Fine. So this can be done by so here itself, as you mentioned, so table, so if you give within a table, so entire thing is going to be changed to color whatever you specify. But I want so table heading and table data should be of one color. Okay. So in Excel sheets you might be observed sometimes that the particular headings are with one color and one more thing with another color. So we'll see now. So this can be done by so background color. So I'll specify the heading with dark blue. Okay. So dark blue or anything orange. Yeah, orange. Okay. Now we'll see the output once. See, the entire row which is specified with the th tag is going to be displayed with this color. Okay, clear guys? Is that clear? I want response from each and everybody. Yes, fine. See, I don't know what happened to you people. I'm making my complete effort to explain you. See, only I think 14 members is there. For 14 members, I'm explaining. See, batches and all, we have 150 members, 200 members. For them, it's a very interesting, guys. So see, last batch, I think 162 members is there in the last batch. So they are very intelligent. So see, while I am preparing or while I am explaining here itself, so they are also doing in their own systems. Okay. So before I complete the particular topic, so they will be thorough of the topic and they are sending their outputs to me. So they are sending snaps to me. But your batch is very negligent. See, while I came to your class, I already told you. So see, those who are not at all capable enough to pay this least amount, which we specified 250 rupees. So those who are not at all affordable for that, definitely for those guys, I will provide. I will pay for them. Likewise, I've told. But you people are not came forward. Then what can I do? Huh? So now you don't know the importance of the knowledge. Okay. So you are studying a word for your semester exams. But there is a lot of stuff to know in this web development. See, many of the applications like Zomato, everything, whatever you are browsing, guys, whatever you are browsing in the internet, everything is going to be developed by using these basic languages. That's what I am trying to insist you people to learn the HTML and CSS in detail. Though you people are not showing interest, but I'll praise you people. I'm not at all scolding you. Okay, so don't mind, guys. I'm not at all scolding you. I'm scolding the others, those who are not joined to us. Okay. So they think that, so they are our seniors, what they knows, I think they might think like that. So live about them. Okay. So those who are here to learn, I'm very happy, and I will make a complete effort to let you learn, people. Okay, guys. Sorry for the distraction. See, this is how we are going to insert the background color of the heading. Now I want the what? So this particular table data. Okay, I want this particular table data to be displayed with the blue color. So what I need to add in the CSS document? Any guess? So what we done for the previous thing, same thing here also we are going to done, right? Okay, so expecting an answer from you, it's a waste of time. Yeah, same thing guys. So for the table data, so I want those data to be in sky blue color. Okay, so background color with sky blue. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, I'll try to save this document and we'll see the output once. Boom, it came. See how attractive this table is. Adding of table into the HTML document is one part. Adding the properties like colors and different things is one more part. Okay, clear guys? Clear of how to insert the colors into the table. Then we'll go with the rounded table borders. Okay, rounded table borders. Whether I need to explain the same table or I'll go with another table. Okay, I'll go with a new table, or else we'll try to implement for the same table. Okay, same table I'm going to take. So previously what I done guys, border I collapsed it, right? So here I'm going to remove this collapse because I want two borders, but the border should be of radius, rounded borders. Okay, rounded borders. For that I'm removing this particular line. Here I'm going to give the border radius. Okay, border followed by the radius. Okay, so border radius. I'm going to specify the radius because I want that box to be of round. The box should be of round. So that's right. So this border radius also should be in a pixels. Yeah, I'm saving it with the 10 pixels. We'll see the output once. I'm refreshing this. See here guys. See how good it is. See how attractive it is. Same thing guys, same thing. So once after completion of the HTML and the CSS, we'll try to implement a mini project like a calculator, and also analog watch is there, right? Analog watch which is going to rotate. Almost I think most of the people are not preferring this analog clocks, but many are converted to digital. But how to display or how to create the watch I'll show you along with one project, along with a calculator project. It's a very simple and it should be understandable to you. Okay, so this is what the thing is. So this is how you are going to insert the rounded borders. Now I want this external border to be removed. This external border. Okay, what I need to do guys, what I need to do, simply guys, simply nothing you are going to do. So just remove the table. Okay, so if I specify this table, then at that case only it's going to be displayed. So if I remove this thing, external border will be removed. Okay, we'll see now. Boom, the external border is gone. Right, clear guys? Remove table border. Yes Vasant, absolutely amazing Vasant. So I'm really happy with 7 members here. So they are responding and they are really active. Okay, what else we need to discuss? And yeah, in previous class itself I told you that these and all are the things which we discussed now. So insertion of table headings, insertion of table data, and insertion of the borders. So double border, how to collapse the borders, and then some properties that like adding the colors into the table, and then rounded borders. Followed by that, I remove the external border. Now we will see the border style. Okay, so we have different styles, that is dotted, dashed, solid, double, groove, ridge, inset, outside, none, hidden. So these and all. We'll see one by one now. So this can be done by same thing, same thing. So here itself you have to specify one thing, that is border style. Border style. Yeah, here it is. Yeah, border style. So I want that style to be of, first one by one we'll go. Okay, dash. See in the PPT, so dash is our first thing, that's why I am going with dashed. We'll see the output once. Boom. See here, you might be observing the difference that dashed borders are displayed over the content or over the cell. Okay, clear guys. Then dashed completed, then we'll go with dotted. I'm just saving it. Yeah, I'm just trying to refresh it. Try to observe the differences. Yeah, see here, dashes are converted into dots now. So now the borders is of dotted, and then I'll go with the solid. Okay, solid. We'll see what might be the output is. I'm just saving it, just refreshing it. Yeah, see here guys, solid is nothing but the same color is going to be displayed over there. Then we have double. Okay, we have double. No worry guys, what we are implementing is in a live, so this you can search in our official channel is there, that is Start E-Learning. So in this these classes and all are going live in our YouTube channel. So if you want to recap the previous classes, you can go and browse there. You will get the class video link. Okay, fine guys. We'll see the double now. Wow, see here how interesting, how good it looks. So double is nothing but double border is going to be displayed over the cells. Yeah, this is what the double is. And then we have 6 more properties. We'll see the groove. We'll see the output now. Yeah, see here guys, what you are observing, clearly observe guys, clearly observe. Half of the cell is displaying with one color and half of the cell is displaying with another color. So see, you might be observing the two colors, right? You just try to zoom in your screen. You just try to zoom in your Google Meet screen. So it might be, so it will be zoomed in. So you just observe this black color, gray color, black color, gray color, and then half of the cell with gray color and the black color, gray color and black color. So this is what the groove is. So to making the table attractive, we can use these properties, and then we have 5 more properties. That is, first thing is ridge. Okay, ridge. Yeah, ridge. You see the output now. What else you are observing guys? So previously half of the cell with black and the gray. Now when I give this ridge, just it's changed its direction. Okay, so the color is changed. That's it. Groove and the ridge is quite opposite. Okay, so this is what the ridge is, and then we will go with inset and outside. Inset and outside. Inset, we'll see the inset first. So see here guys, so inset is nothing but zoom in your screen guys, zoom in your screen. So half of the cell is displaying with the border of black color, and the half of the cell is displaying with the gray color. So this is what the inset is. First you just see the location of black color and the gray color. So black color is of leftmost corner and left side, and the gray color is of right side and the bottom, right. So I'll say okay, sorry, I'll change it to outside. Okay, now we are in the inside, so I'm just shifting it. Okay, I'm just shifting it, and I'll go with the outside. Okay, outside. You see the output once. See here, boom guys. See, so gray is shifted to top and the black color is shifted to bottom. Okay, so this is what the difference between inside and the outside. Groove, rigid, same thing. Just position is same, but so entire cell will be of two colors. But so half here in the case of inside and the outside, half of the cell with one color and half of the cell with other color. Okay, so this is what the thing is. This is what this thing is. So this is what inside and outside is. If I specify none, I'll go with none. I'm not at all specifying anything. So none. Yeah, I just saved it. We'll see the output once. So see here guys. No, not at all. No, not even a single border is displayed. We have specified that I don't want any borders. We told the browser that I don't want any borders to my table. So here is your output, and then if I specify hidden, so we have one more property, that is hidden. So the border is going to be hidden. Okay, that's it. There is no logic here. So the border is there, but it's hidden. It's of hidden. So same, none and hidden will result in the same output. Okay, will result in the same output. See, nothing is changed here. Nothing is changed here. Clear guys? Clear everybody? Yes. Is it possible to change the color of the border of groove? No. Yes, yeah, we have one possibility. For that, you have to give. Wait. So, interesting, guys. If you ask the doubt like this, I also will come to know. So, see here, you can specify the border color here. So, with TH and TD is there, no? You just specify the color, border color. So, specify the color. What color you want? Somebody asking, no? So who is he? So he is Vasant. Yes, Vasant, what color do you want? I'll go with blue. Okay, blue. Vasant, I'm waiting for your response. Shall I go with blue, or else what color you want? Yeah, blue. Fine. So I am specifying my color blue, sky blue or okay. Simply I will give it blue. I'm just saving it. You see the output once. So as I mentioned, they're hidden. So output is of same thing. But so he asked for groove, right? Groove. I'm just giving groove. So he asked only for groove. See here. So this is what the highest zoom in. That's why I can't able to zoom in again. That's what I'm telling, that you just zoom in the Google Meet screen. Okay. So see here, guys. Blue color along with the black color came. Black. It's not black. So it's a gray color. So you can change, Vasant, you can change the blue color as well. Okay, clear Vasant? Clear? So that's what the next thing is. Border colors is the next topic. So this is how Nothing. So can I use border style in the place of border solid? Uh, Sorry, I'm not getting you. Can I use border style in place border solid?
Bro,
Where I mentioned solid, where I mentioned, see here. So it's only for,
I mean first
see,
line.
in starting itself I told, so if I remove this
So
solid,
in first line, sorry,
solid,
that's all.
so these colors are not going to be displayed, okay? Yeah, it's coming because here I mentioned the black color. Fine guys, can I use border style in the place of border solid? I am not getting you, Dinesh. I'm really sorry for that. Clear with the border color. So we have, oh, so if you are okay with, so if I wanted to continue the class, I will continue. So we have three more things: column width, row height, and the table headers. Okay, okay, guys. We'll discuss these things in the next class. Hope this class is interesting to. Yeah, definitely we can merge. Hemoti, definitely we can merge. So see, in our college or in some other colleges, timetables are giving no timetables. So there you are merging the things. That is for the break, for the lunch break, you are specifying, you are merging the cells now. So that thing. Okay. Okay. For as of your request, in the next class, I'll complete these things: height, row width, and table headers. So everything. Okay. So table header is nothing but heading of the table. Okay. So top side of the table, we are going to give the heading. Okay. So that's what the heading is. There is nothing in there. And also, one thing you asked, Hemati, merging of rows. So in that row span and column span. So we are going to merge the rows and the column span using the row span and the column span. And one thing, guys, one thing. So if I want to add, so last thing, sorry, last topic. Yeah, I want to add the caption for this table. I want to add the caption for the table. So this can be done by caption tag. Caption. So here you need to specify the caption of that table. Here I'll go with the employee details. Okay. Employee details. Okay. Now we'll see the output. See, I'm not refreshed here. So there is nothing displayed here. Now I'm refreshing it. See here. The table heading is displayed. Okay. Table heading is displayed. So this heading is not also. When I talk about the heading, you might think so this and this is same. So this is what the caption of the table is, guys. Caption of the table. So in the next class we'll complete the height, width, and the size of the tables, and we'll skip into one simple project. Okay, simple project, that is your timetable, your college timetable. So I'll create one timetable for you in the next class. No worries, guys. Feel free to ask the doubts like Hemati is asking, Dinesh is asking, and some other guy, I forgot his name. Vasant, I think so. Yes, Vasant. So Vasant also asking. See, that's what the main thing is. If you ask the doubts, then only you will come to understand what is the thing in the HTML. So you can create a wonders by using the HTML. That's why. See, even if you learn the Python or if you learn the C program, if you learn the Java programming, so this much interesting. So I think no other subjects are interesting than this HTML CSS, guys, because whatever you code are going to be displayed in the browser. That's very attractive to you. That's why. So if you learn Python, so this much of courage you won't get. If you learn Java, this much of courage you won't get. Or if you learn the C programming, this much of courage you won't get. Because in the C programming, what you learned, so I think you might learn in your first semester itself. What you learn, guys? So see, you are going to code for some problem. That is, if you wanted to add two numbers, you are going to code there. So if you give the input, the output will be displayed. That's it. There is nothing in that. And also, if you wanted to implement the sorting, searching algorithms in data structures you studied, sorting, merge sort, quick sort, heap sort, blah blah blah. Many sorting algorithms are there. So you might observe there. But this what the interest in learning of HTML and CSS is completely varies in the interest of learning the general or normal programming languages. Right? Yeah, just now I posted you the attendance link in the comment section. Try to fill your attendance. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Otherwise, leave the class, guys. We have one more class waiting over there. Done? No doubts? If you have any doubts, please stay here. Otherwise, leave the class.